you don't know who did it. Face it, you don't know who did it. Face it, you don't know who did it. I won't be satisfied till all my niggas get it.
Magandang hapon, Madrid Nation. First of all, pasensya na kung hindi nyo ako nakita ng mga nakarang episode. Nagpunta ako actually lately, nagpupunta ako Pangasinan just to make sure na tama ang construction natin sa Pangasinan. And of course, today, hindi ako papayag na hindi ako makakasama sa episode today. So I made sure na ako ang magiging host nyo for today's episode. Ang work tip of the day, at ang work tip of the day natin ay hindi lang work tip of the day, pero work tip of the month. This week is the start of the month, and marami sa atin ang medyo pagod pa sa kakahabol ng mga target nyo, ng mga quota nyo. And parang marami sa atin na ang nagiging mood, itong start of the month, ito yung month of relaxation. And ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo ay, if you want to be the best, you have to differentiate yourself from ordinary people. Ibig sabihin, always remember, ordinary people do ordinary things. Regular people do regular things. Pero, kung gusto mo maging special at maging extraordinary, you have to do special things. So, ano ibig kong sabihin? Ibig kong sabihin, pag nakikita mo ang karamihan nagre-relax, if you want to be special, kailangan ikaw gumagawa ka ng mga extraordinary tsaka mga special things. Ibig sabihin, pinupush mo ni sarili mo as early as now, minamindset mo ni sarili mo as early as now, and sinasanay mo ni sarili mo na ang start of the month is the month of hard work. Sabihin, kailangan mag-start ka ulit kagad na maaga at kailangan mo mag-prepare ng tamang foundation para sa buwan na to. If you want to be special, you have to do something special.